We have three airdrops to go and claim, and I don't want to go and waste your time, so we jump straight onto the laptop. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. The first one is Wall Chain right here. I will leave you the link down below. As you see, I am not eligible, but make sure to go and check with different wallets, because you never know when we were working on the airdrops, which situation it was happening that you kind of went and integrated with all of these apps. So the first one is Wall Chain. The next one is Opinion right here. Link down below. You can connect your wallet, your Binance wallet, your MetaMask wallet, your Backpack wallet. Again, make sure to check both. Click on more wallets and go and check also all the others, which is important. Click on claim, connected, and then you're good to go and see whether or not you have the possibility to it or not with the connection of the wallet. Super simple. It is a bit slow, this one, so leave it a bit of time, as you see here, to go and check the claiming, the portal, and everything that there is. The third one is Aventis token airdrop here, number 2. This is on Solana, so make sure to go and claim it as well. You connect your either Backpack or your Phantom wallet, and then you are good to go. But talking about airdrops that are coming here, I want to bring you my attention, and this is a trading airdrop. Yes, why? Because trading are the airdrops for 2026, all the perpetual decks, and let me tell you how to do it. So we have two. Gravity, which I do think it's a bit late to join now, but if you are already trading on Gravity, make sure to really push on it, because this one is gonna be huge. The growth has been immense, and in my opinion, it's gonna launch at 1 billion fully diluted value, seeing that they trade over 1.5 billion a day with an open interest of 500,000. I really see it at a $1 billion valuation. As well as Pacifica on Solana. All the links will be down below if you want to go and support me and sign up. Thank you very much. Pacifica on Solana, good one. And then we have Dreamcash. Now, Dreamcash, in my opinion, is the most underrated, and Dreamcash is a hyper or liquid protocol. So it is a hyper liquid HIP3 protocol farming, as well as Dreamcash, as well as hyper liquid season 2. So make sure to go and do it. The Dreamcash is a mobile app, so it's absolutely gorgeous. It connects with your hyperliquid account. I know you have a hyperliquid account, everybody has it, so make sure to go and utilize. I will leave you the link down below. But for today, guys, super easy and quick video. I don't want to waste your time, I don't want to bother you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.